Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of NEBO Unboxed. My name's Zach, and today we are unboxing the MYPAL by NEBO. It's the first flashlight ever made specifically with women in mind. It's small, it's powerful, it's rechargeable, and it's loud. That's right, I said loud. You'll see what I mean in a minute. It comes packed in this impressive gift box with all the instructions and features printed on the sides and back of the box. To open the box, remove or cut the two pieces of tape at the top and bottom, and then position your fingers on two sides in between the plastic top and the box. Then grab onto and pull the plastic top off. On the top of the box, you'll immediately find the MYPAL, and it has a keychain attached to it. Underneath the white plastic holder, you'll also find a USB charging cable and an instruction manual. Looking at the MYPAL, you'll notice the keychain clip on the bottom, which makes it easy to attach the light to a keyring, bag, purse, or even a belt loop. On the front of the light, you'll notice the LED flashlight in the center, another small LED on the right for the steady red and green light modes, and a micro USB port on the left, which can be used to charge the light. To charge the light, simply open the cover on the micro USB port and plug in the included micro USB cable to the light, and then to your USB charging block. The small LED on the front of the light will shine red while the light is charging and green when it is fully charged. The maximum time it takes to recharge the light to full power is less than 2 hours. On the bottom of the light, you'll notice what looks like a speaker, and on the top, you'll notice two buttons. The button on the bottom with the speaker icon is the alarm button. That's right, I said alarm. After all, MYPAL is spelled MYPAL, and that stands for My Personal Alarm and Light. So, holding down this button for 2 seconds will activate the alarm mode. The sound that the alarm makes is up to 115 ear-piercing decibels of noise, and the sound is combined with the blinding 400 lumen strobe mode of the light. Together, the light and sound of the MYPAL make a great defense feature for anyone running or walking alone, especially in the dark. To turn the alarm off, simply press and release either button. To activate the light on the MYPAL, simply press the top button with the N on it. Pressing the button once will activate the light in high mode, which is up to 150 lumens for 60 minutes of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 51 meters or 167 feet. Now, since the light has been on for more than 8 seconds, the next time I press the power button, the light will turn off. However, if you press the button a second time within 8 seconds of first turning the light on, the light will go into medium mode, which is up to 50 lumens for 2 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 31 meters or 101 feet. Also worth noting is the power memory built into the MYPAL. So for instance, if you leave the light on in any mode for more than 8 seconds and then turn it off, the next time you turn it on, the light will activate in the last used mode. In this case, since the last mode I used was medium, the light will turn on in medium mode. However, since I am in memory mode, pressing the light a second time will always return the light to the top of the mode cycle, which is high mode. This is the same no matter what mode your memory setting is in. A third press of the button within 8 seconds of turning the light on activates low mode at up to 15 lumens for 5 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of up to 18 meters or 59 feet. A fourth press of the button activates the secondary LED light in green light mode, which is up to 1 lumen for 40 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of 1 meter or about 3 feet. And finally, a fifth press also activates the secondary LED, but this time in the red light mode, which is also up to 1 lumen for 40 hours of runtime, shining at a distance of 1 meter or about 3 feet. If the light is pressed for a 6th time within 8 seconds of first turning it on, the light will turn off. The MYPAL also has a turbo mode. To activate turbo, simply press and hold the power button for 2 seconds and continue holding the button. The light will shine in turbo mode up to 400 lumens for 40 seconds or until you let go of the button. The light beam in turbo mode shines at a distance of up to 82 meters or 269 feet. The MYPAL shuts off automatically after 40 seconds in turbo mode to prevent itself from overheating. If you need to continue using the light in turbo mode, you can always just reactivate it as needed. Finally, I'd like to point out that the MYPAL is both water and impact resistant, and the high quality LED in it, like most NEBO lights, has a minimum lifespan of 50,000 hours. That's a lot of hours. You'll be able to use the MYPAL for many, many years, and if you have any issues with the light at all, NEBO does offer their standard manufacturer warranty, which protects against manufacturing defects. Okay, so that's all I've got for you on the MYPAL. This thing really should be in every bag and purse in the world. It's a great defense tool, it's an ultra bright light, and it's unbelievably small, and it really does make a great gift. Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of NEBO Unboxed. Once again, thanks for joining me. I'm Zach, and I'll see you next time.